Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're going to look at some fractions with some Lego and also a fraction wall. My guest presenter is going to talk me through that. We're going to start off with a nice straightforward half, which if I look at these two squares here, I'm going to shade in a half. Now Lego is a nice way of showing equivalent fractions there. I've got 4 studs out of a total of 8 there, equivalent to 8 studs out of a total of 16. Again, another Lego shape here, 16 out of a total of 32. So those are all equivalent fractions using Lego. But my guest presenter's going to show me this on his fraction wall. Okay.
So the first one with a half in it is of course 2 halves. Then it would be 4. That would be 2/4.
So a half is equivalent to 2 quarters.
Then it would be that.
So a half is equivalent to 3/6.
Then it would be 8ths.
So 1/2 is equivalent to 4/8.
Then it would be 10ths.
A half is equivalent to 5/10.
Then it would be 12ths.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6.
So half is
12.
6/12. Brilliant. We've seen that as a bar where we had one long bar for the whole shape. But what if the shape was a circle? How could we show that same demonstration
So
for a half?
There.
Okay.
And then we could have it here, which would get that
So half is the same as 2 quarters.
here. And then there would also be equal.
So half is the same as 3/6.
Here would also be equal.
A half is the same as 4/8.
It would also be here. That's equal.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5/10.
And the last one that's equal would be 12ths.
1, 2/12, 3, 4, 5, 6/12. Brilliant. So there we've shown lots of equivalent fractions with a half. Let's try one other shape. Let's try 1/3. And again, I can write a fraction. I can quickly draw 3 squares there and just shade in a third. What I like to do is use some Lego to demonstrate that same concept. If I have these 3 bricks there, I can see that 1/3 is red, meaning that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 out of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. 16 out of 24 is the equivalent fraction of a third, but that's all with Lego or drawing. My guest presenter is going to show me how that works on a fraction wall. Could you go ahead and show that, please?
So it would obviously be one that, but then it wouldn't be then, wouldn't be this. The next one would only be, it wouldn't even be there.
So a third is the same as 2/6.
Yeah.
And you could build up the other.
2/6. But it wouldn't be half because.
So you can see that if we get that other third, we can see that's the same size as that. And you just need your one other 6th bar, which we'll find in a second. Let's keep going. And what else is the same as a third? Not with 8ths, not with 10ths, but with 12ths.
Ooh, 12ths. All of them have been found this one. So if that's the 4 12ths.
So you've got 4/12. There's the same as a third. And if we just use that other third bar, we can see 4/12 is exactly the same as a third, and the same way is exactly the same as a sixth. So we've got 1/3, same as 2/6, same as 4/12. Could you show me those three with your circles as well? So we just need
Alright,
your...
our circles is basically the same.
So a third is the same as 2/6.
Yeah, 2/6.
We should then
so then
build that up.
build that up, and then if you put that in, then there'll be another 6.
Well, that'd make it as a half. But yeah, we just need the 2/6. Yeah.
Not there.
Not in the eighths, not in the tenths,
There.
but in the 12ths.
It would be 4.
So if you can make, well, that's a quarter, which is 3/12. So that's another equivalent fraction there. But you just need 4 of those little 12ths to be the same as that third. And there we can see. Perfect. There we go. That's equivalent fractions using Lego and a fraction wall. Thanks to my guest presenter. And please look out for more fraction videos on the channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And goodbye from all.
Goodbye.
Bye then.